everybody, welcome one more time to my channel, Morning Naranjitas, as every Thursday and Friday. So today it's Friday, I post a new video for you guys. So today we will talk about how to avoid pimples on the face and why they appear in some specific areas of the face. So let's start. Beyond aesthetic issue, pimples can be a sign of health problem depending on the area which they appear. Sometimes we think that acne is just a problem that happens in adolescence, but as we grow up, we realize that pimples continue to appear in some specific areas of the face. So we need to take control of that. This can be due to different reasons. First of all, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, stress, among others. So let us start with this area. Forehead. Forehead acne in this area may be due to digestive problems, so you need to improve your diet and drink a lot of water. Try to avoid saturated fats or alcohol drinks, or soda or french fries. Try to avoid that and you realize that no more pimples over here. Guys, we continue. So between the eyebrows and here, between the eyebrows and temples, it's pimples over here in this area can be a sign of liver problems. So you need to reduce your consumption or fats, dairy, saturated fats, alcohol, cigarettes, stop smoking, and you realize after that no more pimples over here and over here. It's not good covered with makeup. Well guys, near the eyes over here, so pimples over here can be a sign of dehydration, so you need to sleep 7 or 8 hours per day and increase your consumption of a lot of water. So it's really important. It's not allergic, it's just good hours of sleep. Don't forget. Well, we continue with the nose over here, okay, over here. So pimples over here can be a sign of circulation problems. So you need to drink a lot of water, try to avoid saturated fats. So you can include in your diet avocado, almonds, a little peanuts, not too much because have also saturated fats. So control of that. And also try to avoid spicy food. Okay, and dairy products. So if you like the milk or yogurt or cheese, try to control your consumption of that, and drink a lot of water, because here in this area, in the T-zone, it's really important that you take care. Don't forget. Okay guys, we continue. So it's cheeks. Cheeks, pimples over here in this area can be a sign of respiratory problem and allergies. So you need to change your pillowcase and disinfect it too, and your cell phone too. Okay, because maybe it's some allergic reaction that your skin have for that. So control that and try to avoid cigarettes, stop smoking. Okay, so it's really important, your cheeks, don't forget. Well guys, we continue with chin. Pimples over here in this area, so it's a sign of hormonal imbalance, or when you are ovulating too, or when you are in a lot of stress, you have symptoms of stress. So control the stress, okay, and eat a lot of fruits, green vegetables, and a lot of water. If you are ovulating, go to gynecologist and find out what happened, because maybe it's a problem or hormones. So you need to know that. Well guys, we continue with this area, neck. So when pimples appear in this area, it's a sign of our body is dealing with some bacteria. So we need to eat healthy food for strengthen our immune system. Don't forget that. Well guys, I hope that you enjoy my video, and please leave your comment if you want to know another kind of topic. So leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, Morning Naranjitas. So goodbye and have a good, amazing, wonderful weekend. Bye!